Did you know that the second Friday of January is known as Quitter's Day? Because so many people quit their New Year's resolutions, they don't even give it a chance. And by the end of the month of January, over 64% of people have already given up on their New Year's resolutions. That sucks. I don't want that to be me, and I don't want that to be you. As you're rolling into 2025, hopefully you have some big goals that you set for yourself. And I want to talk a little bit about this today. I want to keep this video a little bit shorter than some of my other videos, but I feel this is really important to address. I saw that thing about Quitter's Day a little bit earlier, and I just knew I had to come on here and record a video for everybody about it. And January is a tough month. If you're like me and you're living in the Northeast and your goal is to exercise more, you have some sort of schedule you want to get to the gym, it's tough. It's cold out. It was 20 degrees out last week. It's 30 degrees this week. Nobody wants to go outside and get all amped up and go to the gym and go exercise in that sort of weather. But you have to turn it into a habit. You have to start going every single day 5 days a week, and maybe your schedule doesn't allow that, but whether it's 2 days a week, 3 days a week, and you just have to be into the habit of doing it. I've had a really busy week at work this week, and I've also had a sick dog, so I didn't get a chance to go to the gym this morning. I typically go in the morning before work because after work I like to be able to have this time allotted to do other stuff, to work on my other businesses, and try to make progress outside of my career. And I didn't have time to go to this morning. I was at the vet. So what did I do after I got out of work? I went to the gym, straight to the gym. I fed the dog. I went to the gym. I came back. I took her for a walk. I had a quick snack. Now I'm here talking to you guys. I haven't even had dinner yet. It's already almost 8 o'clock, but I have a commitment to what I'm doing. I've set some goals for this year. One of the other goals I have, did this in probably 2021, I think, was to read a book a month for the entire year. The real goal is more like a chapter a day, but trying to get through 12 books in 1 month or more is the goal. And I had been slacking on that. I hadn't been doing any reading this month. So what did I do today? First thing, I woke up having my coffee. I opened up Dan Koh's book, The Art of Focus, I think is what it's called. The Art of Focus is absolutely incredible guy. If you're not following Dan Koh on YouTube or all the other platforms, he's on everything, even LinkedIn. You definitely need to check him out. Super motivational, tons of actionable advice, especially centering around kind of what I'm talking about, the one person business. But you got to just start today. Like I said, it's the 14th of the month right now as I'm recording this. I hadn't done any reading yet. I have to get through that entire book by the end of the month, which I know I can do. It's not a really long book, but I opened it up today and I read the whole chapter. I read the second chapter and I got through it. I'm on here recording a video tonight, but I wanted to talk to you guys and just let you know that if you've had a tough start to the month, you don't have to quit. Just reset, restart, and get going again. Whatever your goals are, whether it's to make more money outside of your current profession, to try to replace that income by the end of the year, to lose 20 pounds by the summertime for beach weather, whatever it is, if you had a slow start to the month, it doesn't mean you need to give up. It means you need to reevaluate what you're doing with your life, why you're not making time for that, why you're not making it a priority, and start to make those things a priority. So, in terms of business, it can be real easy to let things slip. In the industry that I am in, for the most part, network marketing, marketing, sales with my career, it's real easy to let the month get away from you. And all of a sudden, you're looking at the 15th, the 20th of the month, and you're trying to hit your goals. But it doesn't mean that you have to wait until February now to start that. So if you're somebody who's already in network marketing or you have a sales goal for this month, to start off your year strong, I was talking with my buddy Billy the other day, and he actually hit the top salesman for I think the year for the company that he's working for, which is really awesome. Somebody that I've worked with since he was 19 years old. He came into my life, into my business, and I had the pleasure of being able to work with a young, real excitable guy that just had a knack for talking to people and get him steered on the right path towards his sales goals. He's grown a great network marketing business. Now he's turned that into an awesome sales career as well. And then because he's also financially savvy, he started saving the money that he was making from network marketing. This is a great thing for you guys to recognize. If you don't necessarily need a side income, Billy had a full-time job all this time. He was saving his income from network marketing. He was saving his income from investments. And what did he do when I think he's like 26 years old? He went out and bought his first income property. He bought a 4 unit apartment building, and then went and bought the one across the street, and then bought another one as well. I think he has 3 different buildings now in like 9 units, and he's still under 30 years old. And he did this with the income that he'd saved up from his network marketing business, along with some other savings, of course, but it's just such a powerful thing. So I don't want to make this a really long video, but I wanted to hop on here and say, if you're struggling with your 2025 goals, maybe you set some really big, hairy, audacious goals, and you're not on track and you're getting frustrated, just stop. Don't be so mad at yourself. Don't be so hard on yourself. Start tonight, get something done right now. If you're watching this video and it's in the evening, put this down, put your phone down, get off social media for 15 minutes and do something. Make one phone call, do one invite, send one message, put out one piece of content, anything. Do something right now while you're thinking of it, and then get back to work and follow into that routine tomorrow. You have to do at least 1, 2, 3 things every day to really make it a habit. It takes, I think, 60 days, 30 days. I can't remember the stat on that, but it takes like 30 to 60 days to form a habit. I've been going to the gym every day pretty much. I take Sundays off most of the time, but it's part of my routine every single day, either in the morning or in the evening. I'm going to the gym, and I don't feel right unless I do that. I don't always work out for an hour. Most of the time I'm there for 20, 30 minutes. I walk my dog a few times a day. I get in some exercise. It's keeping me from getting too fat. So build that habit, work those habits. Focus on what your life needs to be by the end of the year by doing the small steps today. Do the small steps today to get yourself to the end goal, and don't be too frustrated with yourself. Not everybody is a rock star and just comes out of the gate and hits all their goals right away. Actually, it's pretty rare that ever happens. So give yourself a little bit of leeway, but don't give up. Go hit those goals, get something done right now, and change your life. So happy you guys are here. If you're not following yet, shoot me a subscription on the YouTubes. Hit the like button, all that stuff. I'm here. I'm making content about being a successful network marketer. I'm personally looking to generate leads in my business. This is going to be one of the resources that I'm doing. One of the ways that I'm trying to do that. I can't even talk now, but I'm just being real with you guys. I want you to have the best life possible. The world is crazy right now. There's fires out in California. North Carolina is still completely devastated. You have to have some sort of side income. So if you don't have a side business and you're not saving money for a rainy day, investing in, stable places to put your money to let it grow, you're making a huge mistake. Get started right now. Start putting some stuff away, because you never know when tragedy can hit your life, and you have to have something built up on the back end to carry you through. So I hope you guys are all doing well. Happy 2025. Go crush your goals, guys, and I'll talk to you soon.